Congratulations, you have found the Fire Protection Online YouTube channel. Fire Protection Online was founded by me, Jon Butt, in 2007. So we've been doing this a long time and are one of the very largest, with our own warehouse, our own stock and our own line of products known as Vigil. So if you see me talking about Vigil products, that's ours. But we won't try and sell it to you. We will inform you about everything. We will let you know what's good, what's bad, what it looks like, how much it weighs, all that kind of stuff, what to look out for if buying from others. And you might think, why would you listen to me? Well, my name is Jon Butt. I have been doing this since January 1984, which is a long, long time. And sadly, for anyone who knows me, I know a fair bit about it and a bit of a smarty pants. That's to your advantage though, because that's going to help. If you subscribe to our channel, you'll pick up all of the new information that comes out and we'll try and keep you informed and up to date.